Blood clot. We're back again in a full effect, my friend. Go for a worldly tribulation. COVID come. Me not even call it, me I call it COVID come. You understand? Lick down my clot. Bedridden for about 4 days, but Jesus, me make it because the Lord love me for sure, my friend. From how it licked down my clot to start off with, did shock me. Me did that work, you know. I make my money, make it up the day. I mean, I shop at me, I say, hold on, my body no feel right, you know. Tingle, me hot, me cold, me I broke out in a sweat. Feel like somebody that beat me for blood clot. Tears, my friend. Me nah lie to you. It did never cool, man. Me nah lie to you. It did never cool. But on the 5th day, me did nice. Me a bubble. And I move like rice. Z. So me never did mind too much. But boy, me wouldn't wish it upon nobody. Me nah lie to you. Me nah lie. Other than that, after that, me did get rid of Fufu, man. Him did get too enough with me, brother. Him did have to go, man. Him did have to go. The boy mouth, as me say, hot like when pot, pan stove. Him talk all the blood clot. Wow. Me and him get up in a fight. How many times? Me can't even come for my hand, me no think. Bloodshed, everything. But me not play, and me not joke. You understand? When me talk and me say stop do the blood clot things in because remember who I paid bills in this yard, and it's certainly not you, my friend. So remember that. Remember your place say you have blood clot animal, you know, if times get hard, me can kill your blood clot and possibly eat you. And now eat you, so you're lucky again. I'm allow him, you know. I may say, before me just kill your blood clot and eat you, me I go run your blood